kamusta yung inyong
Pre-trial.
prosecution team? Kamusta ang inyong pre-trial episodes,
Preparations.
no? So, anong nangyayari there? Dahil kayo yung very prominent to sa private prosecution.
Sabi nga nila, Ronald, this is the case of the century. Akala namin the pre-marking would last a whole century. Hindi naman. Which is good because, and we would like to thank the Senate and the Secretary, the Clerk of Court, the Senate Clerk of Court, kasi napamadali. We were able to devise a way more than 4,000 documents, each and every page marked on both sides, no? Not only marked, signed. So, in each page, merong 3 signature. Yung signature ng head ng team ng Senate panel, yung signature ng prosecution, yung signature ng defense. So, can you imagine? All these documents signed on each and every page with 3 signatures. Kasi even if common exhibits, hindi pumayag ng, for instance, ano yung common exhibit? Yung mga SAL-N, common exhibit dapat yun. Yung mga transcripts ng committee hearings, dapat common exhibit yun. Ano? Gusto nila, i-mark namin yung copies namin, i-mark yung copies nila. But anyway, through agreement, and we would also like to thank so much na naging flexible ang Senate, ang reception of sa pre-marking kasi nagdagdag ng mga tables. So we finished as scheduled yesterday at nag-press con nga ang public prosecutors at ang private prosecutors, and it's finished. So now we are waiting for a pre-trial order. The pre-trial order will say, ano ba yung mga pinag-agrihan nyo? What are your stipulation of facts? How many witnesses? On the part of the prosecution, we have 62 witnesses and 4,000 documents. The part of the defense, I think they named about 29. So ngayon, ilan ang witnesses, how many trial dates, etc., etc. That will come out in the pre-trial order. And we think that there should be no obstacle to having the first day of hearing on July 6.
Siguro, attorney, hindi alam ng maraming tao, paano yung interplay ng private prosecutor at saka nung mga congressman na prosecutor? So, paano kayo mag-cooperate? Paano ang dami rin ng Ang dami rin ng private prosecutor, no? Mga mahigit.
Marami po kaming private prosecutors.
Yeah.
What will happen there is we filed together, we filed the other day a manifestation. Yung manifestation ng final ng prosecution had certain clarificatory questions, no, or wanted certain things clarified. Number one, yung paggamit po ng Filipino or Tagalog during the trial. Because the witnesses or the public or the Senate judges, it may be more understandable to use a hybrid of English and Filipino. That's number one. Number two, clarify rin yung use of public and private prosecutors. No? Kasi under the Senate rules, it is allowed. It is allowed that the public prosecutors will have private prosecutors. Yun. So, sinama rin yan sa manifestation. And the interplay of kailan magsasalita ang public at kailan mag-take over, that will depend on the impeachment court. And of course, on the trial strategy of the prosecution panel. At isa pa, sinabi po sa manifestation, hindi naman very clear. Kasi when you make a pre-trial plea, dapat, if you are presenting a witness, klaro kung bakit mo pre-present ang witness. There are about 25 common witnesses. Yung witness namin sa prosecution, pinopya rin nila, gusto rin nilang gawing witness. Sa kanila, for instance, NBI director is a witness. Gusto rin nilang gawing witness, pero hindi nila sinabi yung purpose. All their witnesses on their side, copying our witnesses, just said to disprove. So that's to disprove the allegations in the impeachment.
Attorney, are you saying
namin sa manifestation,
are you saying of the 29 witnesses that they have that they are saying that they want to present, majority of them are the same as yours, as the prosecution sides?
Yes.
Mga
Kasi
ila-
there are named witnesses and there are unnamed witnesses. Yung mga named witnesses nila, binilang namin mga, if I recall right, mga 25 named witnesses who are also in our list of witnesses. So anong plano nila? Do they intend to recall when our witnesses, who also they named, pwede naman i-cross-examine, are subject to cross-examination. Why do they have to recall these witnesses when they will be subject to cross-examination? Yung mga ibang witnesses na hindi named sa kanilang pre-trial brief is unnamed. So, example ng unnamed. All of those who were notary public in all of the public documents, example, unnamed. All of the witnesses to these documents, unnamed. All of the ganyan, all of the members of the ganyan, unnamed. So, we don't know. We don't know. But the good thing is that under the rules, it has been agreed, as under the rules of procedure, so that there will be no surprises, it has been agreed that 3 days, 3 days before the actual trial date, they should name the witness to be presented. Para alam ng either side, sino ang ipipresent mo ngayon. So, hopefully, when it comes to their turn to present, isasabihin naman nila kung sino yung mga witness nila at anong purpose.
Attorney, sino ang ipepresent for Mary Grace Piatos? I mean, you don't have to name the name, but is it a real person? Is it just an alias? What is it?
We don't want. It's in the list. It's in our list, and strategy-wise, she will be subpoenaed. If the prosecution
Saan
wants
ipapadala yun?
to, if the
Saan
prosecution
ipapadala
wants
sa
to name
Pina kay
her,
Mary Grace Piatos?
we don't know. We don't know her address. We don't know. Perhaps we will send it to the office of the Vice President.
Okay. Saka
Attorney,
yung green box, dahil hindi na natuloy na binuksan eh. But sure naman tayo na mabubuksan yan during the trial.
In the pre-trial in the last day yesterday, since they did not want the opening of the box, and that is understandable, no, kasi it should be addressed to the impeachment court. Ang sinabi na lang ng prosecution namin, markahan na lang natin yung box. They also did not want the box to be marked. No? So,
Ano yun? Pero sigurado siyang mabubuksan during the trial, di ba?
yes, because in the pre-trial, no, even if the defense did not want the box to be marked, meron kami reservation.
Yes.
Kasi normally the rule is if you did not mark it during the pre-trial, you cannot proceed unless Chairman Jinky, the head of our public prosecutors, made a clear manifestation and reservation that this is among the documents that will be presented during the impeachment trial. So may reservation. They
So
cannot
tuloy siya
suppress
na
that
mabubuksan
evidence.
siya. Okay.
I think there can be no suppression of that evidence because when the articles of impeachment was transmitted to the House, kasama yung mahiwagang box na yan. When it was transmitted to the Senate, yung articles of impeachment together with the annexes and evidence, kasama po yung mahiwagang box na yan.
Yung mahiwagang box, alam naman natin laman, yung tax declaration. Apart from that, makikita din natin yung mga sal-and dati ni Vice President during the trial. The people can expect that.
Yes, because it is one of the listed evidence. In fact, the importance of that evidence is apparent because this was used in the House Committee on Justice for determining probable cause.
Attorney, balikan ko lang po si Mary Grace, si Ms. Piatos. Would it be fair to say that that she is being summoned or subpoenaed to deliberately make the point or send a message across that she does not exist?
Well, I don't want to discuss strategy here. No? If I reveal strategy, I will probably have to kill you.
Go ahead, attorney. Ang kulit daw natin. But what about
With
si...
your permission.
Kawawa naman si Tempura, attorney. Ba't hindi siya naisama?
Tsaka si
Bakit,
Kokoy.
bakit si Piatos lang? Si Nova. Paano si Nova? Si Tempura.
May Chippy ba?
Oo.
Si Chippy.
Oo.
Chippy pa, chippy.
Kawawa naman. Paborito ko pa naman yun, Chippy.
What about si Attorney Michael Poa, whom we heard was also on the prosecution's witness list. But again, he's of course the defense lead counsel. Pwede ba yon, attorney? Or is he going to be made a hostile witness?
Well, as I said, we cannot reveal strategy, but I think it's safe to say that he is mentioned in our pre-trial brief. Kasi both parties were required to name witnesses in the pre-trial brief. And his name is there. Whether he will be presented or not will depend on the strategy as the trial continues.
Kumalat, attorney, na nung pre-trial meetings, nilamon daw kayo yung prosecution. So, anong reaction mo ron? Na nilamon daw kayo?
Nilamong kami.
Oo. Kumalat yan. No? Sa social media. Oo.
I don't know how it made kalat, because there was no media around. But that is not true. And as a matter of fact, our public prosecutor, Jinky, it's not fair to say na linamon siya. Because this was not a matter of who made lamon, what, and who. No? This was just a matter of counsels for both parties, the prosecution and the defense, making arguments on the respective sides. That there was some heated discussion, it is part of court proceedings. Di ba? Ganyan lang yan eh. Who made lamon mo? I don't think lamon is
Yeah.
correct. And as a matter of fact, it ended up, that day, it ended up being very cordial because that gave rise to an occasion for the Senate Clerk of Court to come out with agreements between the parties.
Yes. Alam ko naman,
Really,
attorney,
agreement to disagree.
alam ko naman, attorney, knowing you, pag may lumamon sa inyo, mabubulunan eh.
Ay, sinabi mo yan. In fact, wala nga sabi. Ang ko lang mainit ang ulo ko, period ko. Hindi ko alam na kinote naman ako.
I saw that soundbite.
Attorney,
Ako din.
I
pahabol
mean,
ko lang.
stop.
Balikan ko lang si Acho Castillo. Final na ba yon? Yung lahat ng cases regarding that, his death. Wala nang buhay na case doon in connection with Acho Castillo.
The decision came out on October 17.
Yes.
It came out, and there were 11 convicted. And sadly, sad doon is ang mga after 7 years of trial. So this case was filed in 2018 and 2017. Kanya nag-anti-hazing law nung 2018. And this was finally decided on October 1, 2024 against only 10 members. Again,
Yes. 10.
sadly, ang sad dito is parts like this
Please.
na kasama niya doon sa initiation. Mga neophytes rin, walang school authority, walang dean, walang senior
Wala.
judge. No? So these are freshman students, also neophytes in the fraternity and underclass UST who were convicted, and that is why when the decision came out, I also felt, kasi pro bono case namin, I also felt for the parents of these neophytes who I think also whose futures are now affected. So on appeal ito, this case is on appeal. except for one of them who was convicted, who did not appeal and already served term. And has been released for, I think is being released for good behavior. Sana ganun ang mangyari. Even if they do serve their term, sana matapos na yung appeal so they can start serving their term and they can be released for good. Their future is ahead
Lahat sila
Habol-
nakakulong.
with their parents.
Okay.
Yes po.
Habol na,
Nakakulong sila.
last na tanong na, attorney, on a personal note. Paano noong 2016, tumakbo kayong senador eh? Ito bang 2028, may plano kayo?
Yes.
Yun.
Do I need it? I need it like a hole in the head.
Our conversation is turning violent na.
At
Una
saka
papatayin
maraming
si
ano.
Nothing new, nothing new. Oo.
And I have enough holes in the head.
Oo.
Maraming wannabes na gustong tumakbo sa 2028.
Oo. Eh, pink na pink yung suot nyo, attorney eh. Kaya... Tapos Bicolano pa kayo.
Ay, nagkataon lang. Nagkataon lang ito yung napili ko sa cabinet.
Hindi, tumakbo siya noong 2016.
Pero siguro kung mas maganda, siguro,
Ah.
I ran, in fact, I ran po. Because nakasama ko dyan, ang mga nasa gobyerno ngayon, no? Mig Subiriran. It was a nice experience for me. Mig Subiriran, Edu Manzano, si Titen, lahat, all characters, Win Gatchalian, Yorme. Maganda yung team namin, Cheese, Grace, and all that. To me, it was more an experience. It was more a saying to myself na I did my part. But never again.
Never
Never
again.
again.
Oh, she needs it like a hole in the head.
Oo nga, never again nga.
Hindi, pero
I thought there
Pero
was
si Atty.
I thought there was
Si attorney kasi, career niya yung maraming hole in the head.
no, exactly. That's also a fair point.
Di ba, attorney, marami ka ng hole in the head?
You are not
Ano ba naman yan?
Isa pa.
Dagdag, isa pa.
you are not one to shy away
Isa pa.
from difficulties.
Isa pa. Tama na. Let's reserve. Let us reserve the holes in the head for others who deserve it.